Hey everyone, Dylan Afazio here, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the multiple income funnel. This is a sales funnel with multiple income streams, 4 in it to be exact, and this is Mac Miller's sales machine. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be walking you through, the steps that it needs to get set up. I'm going to show you where I'm kind of positioned right now and give you guys some, beginner tips to if you're looking to get started in this, sales funnel. I recently just got started, so today is day 2. And if we jump over to my screen here, we can actually see some of the results that we've been having. All right, so some of the results that we've been having so far, we've had about 18 leads come through the system. So we've, only sent out about 50 clicks so far, around 85. I got a little bit of a bonus click here, just from a traffic vendor that I've been using for a little while. I just wanted to test out a capture page before I went ahead and made a purchase on Traffic Authority, which is the traffic vendor that this sales funnel actually recommends. Now, I've used Traffic Authority before. Now, the only downside to Traffic Authority is their traffic packages are fairly expensive, right? So there's no, I was able to get the 50 clicks for about, I think, $25. So they're not as high converting, right? Whereas if you're able to invest in this traffic, it's going to potentially bring you more sales than a cheaper source or a cheaper traffic source like Udemy or some other, place where you're getting 30 cents for clicks, okay? These ones are more about 80 to $1 per click. So that's why Traffic Authority's traffic converts a little bit better. But now maybe you don't even understand, what it is I'm talking about, and I just want to give you guys a brief overview. Now, if you've never made money online, there's 2 things that you need. You need traffic and you need a sales machine or a series of videos that are going to do the heavy lifting for you without you having to pitch and close every single person that comes through. Okay, so what this system is, it is exactly that. So Mac's gone ahead and set up all of these videos. So you just simply go through. Once you actually go through the sales funnel, so if we just bring over here, you're going to land on one of these landing pages. You enter in your name and your email, and then you get jumped over to the video sales letter. Now, the video sales letter is amazing because you can actually send them to the one where they can't do anything. They can't click a button. They can't do anything for 4.5 minutes. Okay, what this means is they're going to watch the video if they're interested, or they're going to leave. Now, what I find with this, and I noticed this when I got started, was because I was forced to watch the video for 4 minutes, it kind of made me pay attention, because I was like, all right, I got to pay attention for 4 minutes, and then I can actually see what's inside of this offer. So I think that's really cool, mental trick that's in this sales funnel, and it does convert very, very well. Obviously we haven't sent very many clicks, but this system, from the results that I've seen in the Facebook group, so if we actually go over to Facebook, the multiple income funnel. So as you guys can see here, there's tons of people, 980 while sleeping, right? Another 4,000 here. So there's lots of people that are making commissions inside of this group, okay, and using this system. And the reason for that is because it's super simple. Once you get your system set up, all you have to do is either send traffic to lead capture page 1, lead capture page 2, or lead capture page 3, right? And the system's going to do the following for you. I've already seen the emails that Mac sends out. They're like really good emails. They have lots of pictures in them, and they hit your inbox on a daily basis. I've been getting emails from the system 1 or 2 times a day, which means that all of these leads, right, these 20 leads, some of them eventually will see the emails enough where they click on it again, they go back to the video sales letter, and then they end up making a purchase, okay? So what is the products that they're actually purchasing? All right, so let's jump into that right now and cover exactly what it is you're going to be getting if you decide to invest in the multiple income funnel. Now, if you guys decide to invest in the multiple income funnel and you want to join my team, there will be a link in the description of this video, and you will be getting some bonuses on how to actually get some more traffic from outside sources, because, you know, traffic authority is good, but maybe you don't have the funds right away, but you still want to get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you some free methods and some ways to use Facebook, right? I already have one person that's interested in potentially going up to the $500 level, which is what I'm currently placed at. So if we jump into this, okay, so what you're going to be getting is on the front end, when people go through the video sales letter, okay, once they enter this in, they're going to be asked to pay a $49 per month fee. Now that is a $49 fee, which is going to give you access to this back office. It's going to give you access to the internal split test tracking, right? So you're going to be able to track all your traffic sources to see where all your leads are coming from. You can simply create a new link and pick any link here. You're going to get all of these done for you pages. You're also going to get all of the income streams. All right. So income stream number one being the multiple income funnel, which is $49 per month, and you earn $20 per month for every single person that signs up. And that can be paid out. You'll actually go through and set up your e-wallet in step 3, and then they can pay you out, you know, to your bank or whichever way you want to get paid. Now, if you guys are having any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll answer those questions maybe, you know, with another video, or I'll just answer them by typing in the comments below. But if you guys have any questions, if I'm going too fast or whatever, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it'll help me get this video out to as many people as possible and help grow our team and help people make financial freedom their lifestyle. Okay, so what we're looking at for number 2 is Easy One Up. Now, Easy One Up is a product which scales from $25 all the way up to $2,000, and it is a digital learning product. I'm not going to go into, you know, exactly what it is. If you guys want to learn more, you know, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll do a video just on Easy One Up. But what Easy One Up is it an instant pay? So you're going to pay, you know, $25 to purchase one product, or you can invest, you know, like I did at $500 and get all of the products below it. Okay, so as you guys see here, we'll just open this up. So these are the, you know, commission breakdowns of each product, right? So if you start at the 25, you're going to unlock, it's a $5 admin fee. It's going to total cost $30. You're going to make $25 commissions every single time somebody purchases that. Now, I purchased the Vertex Elite, the $500 product. So now I'm qualified to earn $500, $250, $100, and $25 commissions. Okay, so that's a good, you know, base level. If you guys don't want to go balls to the walls and, you know, get the 2,000, right? Get the 500, or, you know, maybe you don't even have that much. Just get the 25, right? Just start, get your feet in the water, and then go promote the system. You'll get a couple sales. Take those instant commissions and instantly upgrade to the next level that you can, so that you're not missing out on any commissions. Now, that is income stream number 2. So again, high ticket commissions on complete autopilot. You're not going to be pitching family and friends. You're going to be sending traffic, and the system is going to be doing the work for you. And that's why I believe this is a game-changing system. And in all reality, Mac probably spent tens of thousands of dollars building this system, because it's got its own, you know, internal payment processor, which is super secure. It's got its own tracking and leaderboards. Like, this is a world-class system created by an 8-figure earner. So when you know, get inside here, you're going to see it is smooth, it is clean, it is, you know, working 100%. And this is something that you can look forward to if you're, you know, maybe just like me, where you're just getting back into everything and you're wanting to make some money. So income stream number 3, I haven't actually set it up yet. I just got started. I'm going to be setting it up here within the next 24 hours, maybe even just after this video. But it is TextBot AI. So very similar to a product that I used to promote called Press One Cash. I made like $15,000 with this with Press One Cash back when it first started, and all it was a simple phone number, and you would just call that phone number and it would redirect whichever person either called or text and send them back to a web page. Now, TextBot AI is the next level. Okay, this is a robot which is called Ava, and she'll actually chat with them. You can run them through sequences. You can follow up with these leads. So you can go out there and post, Craigslist ads, Facebook ads, and get people to contact this number and get offline traffic very, very easily. So when I actually set this up, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing the offline traffic through postcards. I'm going to be setting up a card with this number, telling people, hey, do you want to make $50 to $100, right, per referral, right? Same as this landing page. Get those cards, hand those cards out. When people call that number, bada bing, bada bang, you got yourself a sale. Okay, so that's going to be the power of the text bot, and you're also going to be able to earn $100 commissions when people sign up for income stream number 3. Okay, so lots of earning potential here as well. And income stream number 4 is something you need no matter what, even if you're not going to make money from it. Thankfully, with Traffic Authority, you can actually make money from buying traffic and reselling traffic. So if we actually go over to the dashboard, or here, we'll go over to the resellers dashboard. So what you see here is, I just got started. I'm qualified for the basic traffic package, which is the $220 traffic package. Now, what I want you to show you guys here is you don't have to go crazy, right? You can start out small, and as you start to make sales, as you start to grow, you can invest in all these things, later on. Is it going to be a little bit slower of a process? 100%. But not everybody has the ability to go all in and drop, $10,000 to buy the diamond package and, send a boatload of traffic. Okay, so don't stress yourself out. It doesn't have to be super expensive. And the cool thing about this is you can actually earn from the traffic by just selling traffic. Okay, so once I actually either purchase or sell $8,000, 397 worth of traffic, then I'll be qualified to earn. And as I sell more traffic, I'm going to qualify myself in these, later tiers so that I can go ahead and actually earn when people purchase that traffic. Okay, so these 4 income streams, this is something that you want to focus on for the long term, right? Mac did not go through and set this system up for it to go away tomorrow. All right, these income streams have been around for a very long time. Easy One Up in itself has been around for 5 years. I know Traffic Authority has been around for 3 or 4 years. So these are very solid, foundational income streams that you can bet you're going to be able to make a lot of money from. A lot of people have already made tons and tons of money from these. So that's going to be the, breakdown of this multiple income funnel. Now I'm going to be coming out with some more in-depth videos. I'm going to be sharing, like I said, a little bit more in-depth on Easy One Up, a method using TextBot, and I'll give you guys a rundown of the Traffic Authority. Once I actually send a traffic package to this funnel, I'll give you guys the results of what actually came to fruition from that traffic purchase. Okay, so if you guys want to see that, make sure to hit subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll be notified when I come out with this new video. The multiple income funnel is going to be the only thing I'm going to be doing for the next 3 to 6 months at least. This is something I'm going to be, focused heavy on. So all the videos that are going to be coming out are going to be related to building this and blowing this up. So if you guys want to join the team, make sure hit that link in the description below, set your multiple income funnel up, and hit me up on Facebook and tell me, hey Dylan, I set up my multiple income funnel. What do you want me to do next? How can I start getting traffic? How can I set my Facebook up so that I'm making sales like you? Okay, so what we want to do now is I want to show you the bonuses that you're going to be getting if you decide to join my team through the multiple income funnel. Okay guys, so on signing up, I'm going to be giving you guys access to my free traffic training course. This is on my website, so you can actually go get it right now if you wanted to just, check it out. But what I'm going to be sharing is my free traffic from Facebook, how to get traffic from YouTube, similar to a video I'm making right now, your daily email broadcast, so you can actually extract the leads that go through the multiple income funnel, and you can put them onto another email list, and then you can follow up with them yourself, build a relationship, and hopefully close those into sales. Okay, I also have Udemy solo ads, which is the cheaper version of Traffic Authority. Again, not as high converting, but it's still, you're building your email list, using this cheaper traffic, and who knows, maybe you'll spend 20 bucks and make $1,000 one day. It's happened to me before, and that's why, sometimes I still use this cheaper traffic, especially if I want to just get quick traffic to a sales funnel and see how good it converts. That is one thing I like to do. Bitbox buyer traffic is a cryptocurrency one, so if you're a crypto geek and you want to get some crypto traffic, I've also got that training in there as well. So that's going to be free for you guys if you guys decide to join. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And again, if you guys want to see more videos from me, or if you have any questions or anything like that and you want to see my reply, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. We're on our way to 2,000 subscribers on the Six Figure Marketers Club. So greatly appreciated to everybody that's supported so far. And I look forward to, getting this channel to 10,000 and above so that we can keep helping people make money. All right, guys. So thanks for tuning in. Dylan DeFazio here, and we'll see you in the next video.